I have a very easy and elegant recipe for you. It's my goat cheese, peach, basil stuffed chicken breast. Sounds good, right? Let's get rolling on this. So in here, I have a log of goat cheese and I'm just going to grate in a clove of garlic. Simple ingredients, and it goes by very quickly. So there's my garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in this. And then my basil was looking kind of puny in my garden. I'm gonna save that then for some garnish. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of the dried, kind of like the freeze-dried stuff that you find in the grocery store. Either works well. If you can find really good basil, go for it. And then I'm just gonna mash this up a little bit, mix it all together, and then we're gonna end up stuffing this in the chicken breast along with some peach slices. You can also use nectarines if you want. And I'm not gonna remove the skins. So totally up to you. Set that aside, and then I just need to make some slices with these peaches. Once I get my hands in the chicken, I'm not gonna be able to touch anything else. So I wanna have this all ready to go. Those are good. Really, really good. You want the peach slices pretty thin. About a half of a peach for each chicken breast will be sufficient. You're gonna almost overstuff these. And so here's the chicken. And what I wanna do is cut a slit kind of through the middle. I'm gonna make a pocket in my chicken. So it goes, so you can open it up like that. And we're gonna use some toothpicks to close it. But there's my pocket in that one. Perfect. And do that on the chubby side of the chicken breast. This one's, I think this is the chubby side. We'll use that. But so as soon as you have the chicken laid open like that, you're just going to take the goat cheese mixture and put it in and kind of pack it down. So it looks like that. And then you're just going to take those peach slices and press them in really, really, really good. All right, so you can see I've got my peaches, I've got my goat cheese, I've got my basil, and I'm gonna close this up like so. And here, I've got my toothpicks, and I just wanna use this to help close the chicken breast. Fine. I'm going to use 3. If you can get a bigger toothpick or some kind of a skewer where you can kind of almost sew the chicken breast shut, that works a little better, but this is okay. And then don't worry, before you serve these, you're going to pull out these toothpicks. So remember how many toothpicks you put in each one. 5. I want to sear these first, and then I'm going to finish them in the oven. Had to wash my hands real quick. So now my seasonings are really simple, just salt and pepper. It's gonna make them taste so good. Okay, ready for my skillet. My chicken is golden and glorious. I let it rest for about 10 minutes after it came out of the oven, and it was in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. I'm taking those toothpicks out, and then I just want to give it a slice. Oops, there's another one. I thought there were 3 in there. Oh, wow. You can see the goat cheese and you can see the peaches. Oh my goodness. That is so wonderful. The chicken is moist The goat cheese comes through, the basil is phenomenal. And then you get the little sweet pops of peach in the middle. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. Give this one a try. The recipe's on tkfoodie.com.